Want to use colors to draw attention and convey meaningful information in your charts and tables? In SAP Analytics Cloud Stories, you can set up conditional formatting that defines thresholds for measure values or assigns specific colors to individual dimension members. A threshold is a set of value ranges for a specific measure, either in reference to another measure or as fixed values. Each range is assigned a label such as OK or critical and an associated icon and color, with minimum and maximum values. Multiple story thresholds can be created for a particular measure, or a single threshold can be defined for each measure in the model on which the story is based, which is then available to all other stories that reference the same model. You can then apply the threshold to charts, or tables. You can also choose colors for specific dimension members so they're easy to identify. Assign colors to all members, or just one or two to make them stand out. Keep in mind that the dimension must be used to define the colors in the chart for the assigned colors to display. These are just a few of the ways you can draw attention to important information in your stories. To learn more about conditional formatting, check out the help topic links in the description and try it for yourself today.